Let's Conquer It family. In this short video, we'll try to learn the trick to remember our day 2020 for the nutrient protein. As usual, before going into the trick part of the video, we have to know the unit in which this particular nutrient is measured. Protein is measured in terms of grams. In terms of protein, there are a lot of values that you'll have to remember because it changes for trimesters, it changes for children during infancy, changes during childhood, and its differences for girls and boys are there. So I'll try to give you a few tricks, but this might sound a little bit absurd when you start it. But listen to it 2 or 3 times, write it down 3 or 4 times, you'll be able to remember it beautifully. Next, so starting with the values, see, I want you to remember this thing. Anyway, we are going to remember about reference Indian man and reference Indian women, about their age, about how much height they are, how much should they weigh, and all these things. So from that, we'll try to get the protein requirements. Reference Indian man, if you see, he weighs around 65 kg. Reference Indian woman, if you see, she weighs 55 kg. All right. So from this 65, if I minus 10 for men, I get 55. And for women, similarly, if I minus 10, I get 45. Now from this 55 and 45, for men, to get the protein requirements, I'm going to minus 1. Whereas for women, I'm going to plus 1, which gives me 54 and 46. What is this? 54 is the protein requirement of a reference Indian man in all physical activity categories, whereas 46 grams is the protein requirement of a woman, irrespective of which physical activity category she belongs to. Now, protein requirement during pregnancy, it changes depending upon which trimester the woman belongs to. So, during the first trimester, there is no change in protein requirement, so it stays the same, which is 46 grams, the normal requirement of a woman. During the second trimester, there is need for extra 10 grams of protein on a daily basis. Actually, it is 9.5 if you see it in the RDA tables, but it's okay, you can remember it as 10. Plus 10, what we'll get? 46 normal requirements plus 10, which gives us 56. So, a pregnant woman in her second trimester should consume 56 grams of protein in a day. For a third trimester, if we see, it is 22 grams because during this trimester only, the baby organs will enlarge and the completion of growth will happen in that time. So, during this time, the protein requirement is really high, which is 46 plus 22, which gives us 68 grams. Now, to remember this 22, you can remember that the woman is eating for 2 people, like herself and also for the baby. By that way, you can remember this 22 very easily. Now, we have studied the protein requirement of men, protein requirement of women, and during pregnancy, during the 3 trimesters, what is the protein requirement. Now, let us go into a category when the baby is born. After the baby is born, the mother has to feed the baby, right? The mother has to feed the baby with breast milk. So this breast milk is a very good source of protein. So in order to make that breast milk, still the woman has to consume extra protein from when compared to her normal diet. So that we are going to see it here. For the first 0 to 6 months, plus 17 grams is required. You can remember it as, we already know during third trimester, the requirement is 22, plus 22 it is. So now it is going to be plus 17, meaning there is just 5 grams difference between third trimester and the first 6 months after the birth has happened. So 46 plus 17, it gives us 63. Now, during the 6 to 12 months, it is after 6 months, we start complementary feeds, right, for the baby, which means the requirement for breast milk reduces a little bit. So in that case, protein requirement also decreases a little bit. It comes to plus 13. Whereas first we saw it is plus 17. Now for 6 to 12-year-old baby, you can remember it is 13. To remember this number, we know, right, after the baby crosses the 6-month age mark, then they slowly start walking, then they slowly start pulling things, they keep anything and everything in their mouth. So at time, it is like a horror time for the mother. 13 is a horror number, no? So you can remember it like 13, horror, baby is a horror, so you can remember like that. So it is plus 13, that is 46 plus 13, which gives us 59. This means a lactating woman during the first 6 months of her lactation period, she should have at least 63 grams of protein in a day. Whereas 6 to 12 months mother, 6 to 12 months wala mother who is lactating, she should have 59 grams of protein in a day. Now, the same period, that is 0 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months, the baby's requirements we should see, no? How much grams of protein the baby needs. So for a 0 to 6 months, if you see, the baby needs 8 grams of protein. Whereas for 6 to 12 months, the baby needs 10.5. You can remember it as 11. So 8 plus 3, 11. 0 to 6 months ka, it is 8 grams. And 6 to 12 months baby ka, it is 11 grams. Now, next category we'll have to go. Children category, remember the same horror story that the babies are horror to the mother. So in this category it starts with 13. Similarly, जैसे हम already किए थे ना, like 8 plus 3 11. Similarly, we'll do plus 3 here also. 13 plus 3 gives us 16. Then this 16, it is easy to remember the next number 23. क्योंकि see, first we have done 13. Now we'll be doing 23. Next, if you see, it is 33. Next, it is 43. So it will be very easy to remember. So yaad rakh lo 23. Now just see it again. For children, it is 13, 16 and 23. Now the next category wherein the requirements of boys and girls change. Please pay attention here, because usually when I give tricks, I keep boys in the first category and girls in the second category. But since it was easy to make the trick with girls as first, I have changed the column. So the first column is for girls and the second column is for boys. For 10 to 12 year girl, 10 to 12 year old girl, if you see, we already know 23, so we have seen already. So plus to that you add 10, so it gives you 33. This 33 is the protein requirement of a 10 to 12 year old girl. To get the requirement of a boy, just minus 1, which gives you 32. Next, to get the requirement of a 13 to 15 year old girl, just you have to add plus 10 to 33, which gives you 43. This 43 plus add 2, which gives 45. 45 is the protein requirement of a boy who is 13 to 15 years old. Next, the last category, which is 16 to 18 year old category. If you ask me, you don't have to remember it as such like this, because the requirements of this age group and the normal men and women is very same. Like if you see for girls, it is 46. We know for a reference Indian woman, protein requirement is 46. Whereas for a boy, reference Indian man, it is 54. But here it is 55. Just 1 gram balance difference is there. So you can remember those values only here itself. Now again I'm saying, protein requirements, there are a lot of values that you'll have to memorize. But then since it is in grams, even if you round off them and you remember the values also, there's not going to be much of a problem. So yes, listen to the audio 2 or 3 times till the time you get a come stated with a trick. And thank you for listening to me.